Welcome to Williamsport PA Apartments. Today we'll be showing you a completely renovated 2-bedroom apartment at 938 Sheridan Street. Entering the front door of this first floor unit, we come into a spacious living room with a connecting dining room area directly outside of the kitchen. The carpeting in this apartment is brand new and the entire apartment has been freshly painted. This unit is 750 square feet total. Let's check out the totally remodeled kitchen. This unit has new vinyl flooring, cabinets, countertops, as well as an electric stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and built-in over-the-stove microwave. You also have a bonus pantry at the back. Moving down the hall, we step into the bathroom. This room has been fully renovated as well and features a modern vanity and countertop, mirrored medicine cabinet, and lighting. The flooring in here is new as well. The space here is the primary bedroom. This room is roughly 155 square feet with a nice sized bifold closet. Moving on, we come to the smaller secondary bedroom, which is about 100 square feet. This room also has a closet for additional storage space. It would be perfect as a home office, workout room, or crafting studio. Here's a hall closet for linens and additional storage. And lastly, you have a nice big bonus storage area in the utility closet for your larger items. There's a shared laundry room on the first floor for your convenience. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at williamsportpaapartments.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. We hope you choose our apartments to be your new home.